सुखानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तम् स्रक्खणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We have seen 2 chapters of Naishkarmya Siddhi. What was the central theme of chapter 1?
Jnanam alone will give moksha.
Anybody else?
Jnana karma samuchaya.
Samuchaya what?
Conclusion of that, Swamiji. Jnana karma refutation of that.
Jnana karma samuchaya khandanam is what is refutation. But that is not the central theme of that chapter.
Samanvaya phalam, Swami.
Samanvaya
Phala.
central theme of chapter 1 was Jnanam alone is moksha sadhanam. Jnanena eva moksha. Not karma, not jnana karma samuchaya. Jnanam alone is the moksha sadhanam. Chapter 2. What was the theme of chapter 2?
How to understand Tattvamasi Vakya.
Tvampada Shodhana.
Tvampada Vichara. Chapter 3 is going to be Tattvamasi Vakya. See Tika, page number 105. Shri Ganapati Saraswati Sadgurubhyo Namo Namaha. Shri Ganapati Saraswati Sadgurubhyo. How will you do samas hai?
Shri Ganapatischa Saraswatischa Sadguruhu cha.
Saraswatischa nahi, Saraswaticha Sadguruscha. Iti
Shri Ganapati Saraswati Sadguravaha.
then
Tebhyaha
Tebhyo Namo Namaha. Tebhya. Chaturthi Bahuvachan. When you do samasa, first you have to do in Prathama. Then you have to bring Chaturthi. So first, Sri Ganapati cha Saraswati cha Sadguruscha. Iti Ganapati, Sri Ganapati Saraswati Sadguravaha. Tebhyo Namaha. Then Harihi, full stop, Om. So in the text, how it is given, Harihi, full stop, then Om. So that's why here in Kailash and all, they don't say Hari Om. Because they say Hari Om, Hari requires Visarga. You cannot just say Hari Om without Visarga. And between Hari and Om, there is no Sandhi. So Harihi. Om. Like those who do Veda Parayanam, you must have seen Harihi Om, like that they will say. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om, Harihi Om, like that they will say. Use all Veda parties. Even when they start Harihi Om Nabhya Asidandarikshatum, so Harihi Om. So they don't like if someone say Hari Om, Hari Om. What is Hari Om? Vartishyamaणस्य अध्यायस्य अतीताध्यायेन संगतिं दर्शयितुं वृत्तं कीर्तयति सर्वोयम् इति. वर्तिष्यमाणस्य अध्यायस्य, वर्तिष्यमाण अध्याय is this third chapter. So when they start a chapter, then they have to show Sangati with the previous chapter. Atita Adhyayana Sangatim Darshayitum Vrittam Kirtayati. Vrittam means Kathitam, what is already said. He is narrating it again. Darshayitum. Darshayitum. What is the dhatu?
दृश्य प्रेक्षणे तुमुन प्रत्यय निच प्रत्यय तुमुन प्रत्यय.
You have to do Nijanta, then Tumunanta. If you don't do Nich, then what will be the Rupa?
दर्शितुम
Drashtum.
Prashtum. Vartishyamanas. Vartishyamana is this chapter. Sarvoyam in Mula. सर्वोयम प्रमिति प्रमाण प्रमेय प्रमात्र लक्षणः आ ब्रह्म स्तंभ पर्यंतो मिथ्याध्यास एव इति बहुशः उपपत्तिभिरतिष्ठिपम्. Your part says atisthipam or anything else? Anybody else has any other reading?
Atisthipam.
No, anybody else has any other reading?
Atishtipam.
That is correct. It is same as what I have. Atisthipam. Pramiti praman prameya pramatra lakshanaha. What is this samasa vigraha? Pramitischa, pramanancha, prameyascha. Pramiti is strilinga shabda. So pramitish, pramitihi, pramitischa, pramanancha, prameyascha, prameyancha, and pramatacha. Iti pramiti pramana prameya pramatarah. Pramatarah. Pramata, pramata, prau, pramatarah. Then pramiti pramana prameya pramatarah lakshanam yesham yasya मिथ्याध्यासस्य सह मिथ्याध्यासः प्रमिति प्रमाण प्रमेय प्रमात्र लक्षण अन्य पदार्थ इज मिथ्याध्यास. Okay, a caution note for all students. Third chapter of Naishkarmya Siddhi is the toughest. There are long compounds and big commentary. If you are going to study this chapter, you will have to give lot of time before and after. If you really want to study, you want to tell people that I have studied without studying, you can just turn it on and do whatever else that you want to do. Otherwise, you thoroughly study, you will learn a lot. You will realize how much you don't know, how much we understand and take it for granted that I know so many things. You will realize all that. You give lot of time. And Vyakarana, those who are studying, they will also learn a lot. So, what is Mithya Adhyasa? Mithya Adhyasa has this as its Lakshana, where there is Pramiti, Praman, Prameya, Pramata. This is Mithya Adhyasa. Anywhere there are these, it is Adhyasa only. It is superimposition. It is Mithya. Mithya tad adhyasascha iti mithyadhyasah karmadhara. And from where to where it is? A Brahma Stambha Paryantaha. So, beginning from Brahma all the way up to Stambha, a blade of grass. Everything is Adhyasa Rupa. Adhyasa eva iti bahushaha upapattibhihi, with many upapatti. Upapatti means yuktis. Atisthipam. Atisthipam. What is the dhatu?
Tha dhatu nich pratyaya tishthate vrit.
Agati nivrittau. Then anich pratyaya. And
Lung lakara. Pratama bahuvachana.
lung lakar. Kartari lung. Atisthipam is ekvachana. What is the meaning of atisthipam? Atisthipam means, see, stha means sthiti. When you do nijant means it is established, it is siddha. So atisthipam means upapattibihi siddham or sadhitam. This we have established with many yuktis. Atisthipam sadhitam in this way. टीका पदार्थ परिशोधनाय विचारानान्तरीयकतया सर्वस्य प्रपंचस्य मिथ्यात्वं दर्शितम् इत्यर्थः. पदार्थ परिशोधनाय, for the पदार्थ परिशोधन. पदार्थ means तत्पद त्वं पद. पदार्थ पदार्थयोः परिशोधनम्. पदार्थ परिशोधनम्. तदर्थम पदार्थ परिशोधनाय विचार अनांतरीयकतया. अनांतरीयक. अनांतरीयक means simultaneously, if you want the English word. Sanskrit word if you want, sambadha or samlagna. As part of padartha shodhanam, along with that, vichara anantariyakataya, not antariyaka, not separated. Within that, sarvasya prapanchasya mithyatvam darshitam. Entire prapancha is mithya. That also was shown in second chapter. So, tvam padartha shodhanam and jagat mithyatva, that was also given. So we saw this portion that Pramiti, Praman, Prameya, Pramatra, Lakshana, Samsara is Mithya, that we saw around 95 to 105 shlokas of the previous chapter. Mithyatvam darshitam. Idanim sakshat pratipaditam arthantaram darshayati. Now, sakshat pratipaditam arthantaram. अर्थांतरम समास विग्रह
अन्यदर्थम अर्थांतरम.
अर्थ इज पुल्लिंग.
अन्यो अर्थो अर्थांतरम.
अन्यो अर्थो अर्थांतर. What is the sutra by which this samas is done?
अनेकमन्यपदार्थे
मयूरवंशकादयश्च
मयूरवंशकादयश्च मयूरवंशकादयश्च इदानीं साक्षात् प्रतिपादितम् अर्थान्तरं दर्शयति। वर्तिष्यमाण विचार उपयोगित्वात् आत्मा च इति। Why साक्षात् प्रतिपादितम् अर्थान्तरं दर्शयति? Why we have to do that now? Because वर्तिष्यमाण विचार उपयोगित्वात्, because it is very useful. So प्रतिपादित अर्थ is त्वम पदार्थ शोधनम and jagan मिथ्यात्व. Arthantaram, he is going to show something. What is he going to show? I will give you a background. There are two padartha, Atma and Anatma. Where does avidya belong? To Atma or Anatma? Because avidya will need ashraya and vishaya. So he is going to explain either avidya will be having Atma as ashraya or Anatma as ashraya. Anatma as ashraya is impossible. Why? That we will see. Therefore, Atma is the ashraya of avidya and Atma is the vishaya of avidya. So when you study this, then you will know the Vivarana Prasthana, when it is said Atma is ashraya, means Brahma is ashraya, Brahma is vishaya. How did he get that Vivarana Prasthana idea? Is from this portion. Because Naishkarma Siddhi was written before Vivarana. And Bhamati Prasthana is slightly different. So ashrayatva vishayatva he explains here of avidya as Atma. So this is a vichar upayogi. This is helpful inquiry for understanding Mahavakya and for understanding Jagat Mithyatva. How it is helpful? Because we are going to establish that this avidya, otherwise known as ajnanam or mula vidya, this mula vidya is jagat upadana karanam and Brahma is adhisthana of that mula vidya. Because avidya, mula vidya is jagat upadana karanam, when avidya is eliminated by vidya, jagat will be eliminated. So if somebody says, I have understood I am Brahma, means I have knowledge, but jagat is still there for me, jagat is still satyam for me, what does that mean? Avidya is there or gone?
there.
It's there.
So understanding that I am Brahma, that Tattva Bodha also will tell you that. But he says, really understanding of the meaning of Tattvamasi or Aham Brahmasmi means Jagat is mithya for you now. Jagat is not different from you anyway. Mithya means it doesn't have any separate satta, separate reality from you. If you have understood this, then you have understood you are Brahma. So this is very much required in order to clearly understand Aham Brahmasmi Vakya or Tattvamasi Vakya. So this is a upayogi vichara. That's why he is going to start the discussion with what is the ashraya and vishaya of avidya. So this is Vartishyamana Vichar Upayogi, Upayogitvat. Atma cha Mulam. Janmadi Shadbhava Vikar Varjitah. Kutastha Bodha Eva. It is Putikritam. Atma is Janmadi Shadbhava Vikar Varjitah. It is devoid of the 6 Bhava Vikaras. And it is Kutastha Bodha. It is Jnana Matra. Kutastha Bodha Eva. Iti Sputikritam. Sputikritam. What is the pratyaya there?
Chui pratyaya.
Svi pratyaya. What is the sutra for Svi pratyaya?
Abhota tadbhave bhvasti yoge sampatya kartari chvi. Chaucha.
Svi pratyaya ka sutra is Ahuda Have Sampatya Kartari Chvi. But Chaucha is the one which will do the Dirgha. Sputikritam. Tika. Tarhi Padartha Shodhanasya Samyang Nishpaditatvat Vidita Pada Padarthasya cha Swayameva Vakyartha Jnanotpattehe Kimarthas Tritiya Dhyaya Arambha Ityata Aha. Purvapaksha says, then Padartha Shodhanasya Samyang Nishpaditatvat. You have already done Padartha Shodhanam. From Padartha Shodhanam you have elaborated very well. Samyang Nishpaditatvat Vidita Pada Padarthasya cha Vidita Pada Padartha Samasa first you have to do between Pada and Padartha. Padasya Padarthasya iti Pada Padarthau Viditau Pada Padarthau Yena Saha Vidita Pada Padarthaha. That person gets the sanya Vidita Pada Padartha, the one who has understood Pada and who has understood Padartha. Vidita Pada Padartha. Viditau Pada Padarthau Yena Saha Vidita Pada Padarthaha. Tasya Vidita Pada Padarthasya. So what is Pada that you know? What is Padartha? What is Pada is Tat Pada Tvam Pada that you know. In Upadesh Sahasri we have seen a shloka, shloka number 96 in 18th chapter. You can just note down the number, you see this shloka later, 18.96. That to do Anvaya Vyatireka, you need Padartha, Padajnanam, Padartha Jnanam. And those who are attending Siddhanta Bindu, they will see how to do Anvaya Vyatireka with Padartha in the 8th shloka of Siddhanta Bindu. So there is Drigdrishya Anvaya Vyatireka, Sakshi Sakshya Anvaya Vyatireka, Agamapayi Tadavadhi Anvaya Vyatireka, and Anuvritta Vyavritta Anvaya Vyatireka. In this way, there are 4 for Padartha Anvaya Vyatireka. So some of that we saw in the previous chapter. The Drigdrishya and Sakshi Sakshya that we saw. And some of it he will discuss here. That's why he says Vidita. Already this is known. Vidita Pada Padarthasya cha. Swayameva. If somebody already has Padajnanam, Vachyartha, Lakshyartha, Padartha Jnanam through this Viveka, Anvaya Vyatireka, Swayameva Vakyartha Jnana Utpattehi. By itself, Vakyartha Jnana Utpatti should take place. Why do you need whole chapter for it? Kimarthas Tritiya Dhyaya Arambha. Ityata Aha. तयोश्च मिथ्याध्यासकूटस्थ आत्मनोर्नान्तरेण अज्ञानं संबंधो अन्यत्र चोदना परिप्रापितात्. Between anyatra and chodana, there is no sandhi. They are separate. There is no samas also. Tayoho, pada padarthayoho. No. Tayoho means atma and atmanoho. Tayoho here, mithyadhyasa kutastha atmanoho. One is mithyadhyasa and another is kutastha atma. Mithyadhyasa means whatever is anatma swarupa, starting from Brahma all the way up to Stambha Paryan. And kutastha atma. So tayoho atman atmanoho. Mithyadhyasa kutastha atmanoho. Ajnanam antarena. Antarena means vina. Other than ignorance, na sambandha. There is no sambandha possible between Atma and Anatma other than through ignorance. So somebody says, but in Upasana, you ask that we have to meditate as I am Prana, I am Hiranyagarbha, I am Brahma. In this way, Upasanas are done. So that's why he says, Anyatra Chodana Pariprapitat. Other than where Chodana means Vidhi. Other than where there is Vedic injunction to create the sambandha between Atma and Anatma. Apart from that, anywhere else, if there is sambandha between Atma and Anatma, it is adhyasa. It is because of ajnana. Anyatra chodana pariprapitat. Means chodana pariprapitat anyatra ajnanam antarena na sambandha. Chodana pariprapitat anyatra. Other than there where there is injunction of Veda, other than that, except for ignorance, there is no sambandha between Atma and Anatma. He gives example. Yatha iyam eva rik agnihi sama iti iyam eva rik iyam prithvi. This prithvi is Rig Veda. Agni is Sama Veda in this. This Sama mantra. Veda means Sama mantra. Prithvi is Richa. They are Rig mantras. So this is how this is only Vidhi for Upasana. Prithvi is really not Rig. Agni is not Sama. But for Upasana, this is done. In the same way, for Upasana, if there is some such sambandha between Atma and Anatma, I am so and so, it is because of Vedic injunction. But apart from that, if somebody says there is sambandha between Atma and Anatma, it is only because of ignorance. Adhyasyamana adhisthanayoho shuktirupyayoho riva adhisthana vishaya jnana vyatirekena sambandha sambhavat ajnanam tavad ahamidam mamedam iti pratiyamana atmanatma sambandha ghatakam abhyupeyam. Adhyasyamana, what is superimposed, and adhisthana is substratum. Adhyasyamana adhisthanayoho shukti rupyayoho iva. Between shukti and rupya, rajat, silver and shell. Adhisthana vishaya ajnana vyatirekena. Adhisthana vishaya ajnanam. Samasa vigraha. Adhishthanam vishayo yasya ajnanasya tadajnanam adhisthana vishayah. Adhisthana vishayam. अधिष्ठान विषयं च तदज्ञानं च इति अधिष्ठान विषय अज्ञानम तद व्यतिरेके. Adhishtanam is the subject matter of that ignorance. Ignorance which has the adhishtanam as the subject matter. Means ignorance of what? What is the subject of ignorance? Adhishtanam, substratum. So when I don't know Shukti, then there is a relationship between Shukti and Rajata. When I don't know Brahma, then there is a relationship between Brahma and Jagat. Brahma and Panchakosha. Adhishthana Vishaya Ajnana Vyatirekena Sambandha Asambhavat. Other than that, so only ignorance is the driver to create the Sambandha between Adhishthana and Adhyasya. Sambandha Asambhavat. Ajnanam Tavat Aham Idam Mamedam Iti Pratyamana. This Ajnanam expresses as I am so and so, this is mine in this way. Aham idam, mama idam, iti. Aham idam means I am this body, idam sharidam, aham idam, aham manushya, purusha in this way. And mama idam, iti pratiyamana atman atma sambandha ghatakam. Pratiyamana atma anatma sambandha. The seeming relationship between Atma and Anatma, its Ghatakam. Ghatakam will be Ajnanam. Ghatakam Anvaya has to do with Ajnanam. That Ajnanam is the Ghataka for the Sambandha between Atma and Anatma. Abhyupayam, Svikartavyam, you have to accept it. तस्यचा ज्ञानस्य निवृत्ति व्यतिरेकेण पुरुषार्था परिसमाप्ते तन्निवृत्तिश्च वक्ष्यमाण न्यायेन वाक्याधीनत्वात् वाक्य व्याख्यानाय आरंभो घटत इति भावः. तस्य च अज्ञानस्य, that अज्ञानम निवृत्ति व्यतिरेकेण पुरुषार्थ अपरिसमाप्ते. Unless that ajnanam is gone, purushartha, moksha purushartha parismapti doesn't happen. In fact, no other purushartha will be accomplished. Because no matter what you do, as long as ajnanam is there, I will feel empty only. So purushartha aparisamapti is the nivrittescha vakshamana nyayet. And the nivritti of that, how the yukti he is going to use, Ajnana nivritti is Vakya adhinatvat. It depends upon clear understanding of Mahavakya. And therefore, Vakya Vyakhyanaya Arambho Ghatate. Purvapakshi said, why do you want to start third chapter? Siddhanti says, to expound on the Vakya Vyakhyanaya Arambho, Tritiya Adhyaya Arambho Patate. It is justified. Vibhava. Adhisthana adhyasyamanayoho ajnana vyatirekenapi sambandho drishyate iti ashankya. Someone says between adhisthana and adhyasyamana, other than ajnanam, sambandha is there, like in the Vedic injunctions where there is a vidhi, chodana. So he said, other than that, we are talking that you can leave. It is justified. If Vedas have said that you do it, you can do it. But apart from that, if you have any such sambandha, it is ajnana. But Vedas are giving that injunction also to ajnani only. That also you should remember. Nivartya ajnanasya nivartaka jnanena. A long sentence. Nivartya ajnanasya nivartaka jnanena saman ashraya vishayatva niyamasya idam rajatam iyam shukti shanat. Nivartya ajnanasya. Nivartya will be ajnanam. Nivartaka will be
Jnanam.
jnanam. I think it is good if more people try to answer the questions. When you answer, you will be more alert, and I will know at least people are absorbing what is being taught. Simple questions you can easily answer. Saman ashray, and don't worry if it is wrong. Everybody mistakes. Saman ashraya vishayatva niyamasya. Between ajnana and jnana, there has to be saman ashraya and saman vishayatva. Chaitra has ghata ajnanam. It is nivartya. Its nivartaka will be ghata jnanam of Chaitra alone. Chaitra should have ghata jnana. Then Chaitrasya ghata ajnanam will go. So samana ashraya, samana vishayatva. Niyamasya idam rajatam iyam shukti ityado darshana. It is seen idam rajatam is nivartya ajnanam. Iyam shukti is nivartaka jnanam. Darshana. Ihapi brahma jnanena atma jnanasya saman ashraya vishayatvam darshaniyam. Here also, in case of brahma jnana and atma jnanasya, atma jnana, samasa vigraha,
Atma cha tad ajnanam cha.
how? Atma and ajnanam in samana adhikarana.
Atmane ajnana.
Why atmane?
Atmanaha ajnanam.
Saptam.
पुनः
Ye saptam.
Atmanah. Atma vishaya. Atmanah ajnanam. Atmane, if you do, still vishaya saptami you have to say, but atma vishayaka ajnana. And samana ashraya. So, brahma jnanena atmanah ajnanasya nivritti. Saman ashraya vishayatvam darshaniyam. That they should have same ashraya, same vishaya. So now he begins with that as a project. Tat sadhanaya upakramate. Tacha jnanam iti. Om purnamadaha purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavashishyate. Om shanti shanti shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.